I know lots of people say to you, you are the reason why we moved to France or moved to another city, and I'm fucking one of them.
Oh. Okay, by a show of hands, who in this room would overstay a visa for love? Bring in the police. No.
I fucking love you.
Oh my god, stop. You're so sweet.
Hi friends, welcome back to my vlog. Today is the day that I finally get to meet up my favorite YouTuber online, the Damon Dominique. So he wrote his first copy of book. He wrote it, I got it first minute. He's doing a book tour in Paris today, so I get to meet him and I'm taking you guys with me. So first step, let's make an outfit. And you know everyone has that one pair of statement pants? This is mine. This mashed top, yeah, much better. And for shoes, I want to wear my platform Dr. Martin. Okay, the perfect earrings to pair with today's outfit. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling this one. Okay, jewelry is on. What do we think? I love it. 10 out of 10. And this is the final outfit. I'm so anxious right now because I'm fucking late and I'm so excited to see him. So I'm gonna go bye. I hate being late. But I always late. Bitch. You know you're holding a camera and walking on the street and everybody give you that look. Whatever. I'm on my way to the book event, but for those who have no idea who Damon is, here is a brief introduction of him. Damon is a content creator who showcases different cultures, emphasizes the importance of language learning by immersing himself in the local culture, learning the languages, interacting with the locals while traveling. His passion for travel is contagious, and his ability to share his experiences in a relatable and entertaining manner makes his videos such a joy to watch. And I can't wait to meet him. Bonsoir. Bye. Hello, we're finally here.
Yeah.
You don't meet many of us here. He's right there. Hi.
Hello. Oh, you got the GoPro.
I'm sorry, I'm fucking nervous right now. Do you mind?
I gotta go pee. Stop.
Did you just get here?
Yeah.
Stay for the second one.
There's a second one?
Yeah. That's the best things happen to you, girl. It's your lucky day.
It's good that you were late.
Yeah, it's literally just in time. You'll meet him now. You'll see it again. You'll talk again later.
Okay, great. Yeah. Okay, before y'all come at me and be like, it's your own fault that you're late. You deserve it. It wasn't my fault. Fun fact about Paris, lots of time the public transportation does not work. Fucking great. As you all can see now, I'm bawling my eyes out because not only the metro stopped working, no buses are coming either after I waited for 25 minutes straight. At this point, I'm not late to be early anymore. I'm late, like 1 hour and a half late. And now I'm just crying in the car and thinking about I might lost the only chance to ever meet him in person. But thank God I made it.
Hi.
Hi, I was 1 hour late because the fucking metro was not working. And I literally cried on the. I fucking love you.
Oh my god, stop. You're so sweet.
Can I give a hug?
Yes, I want a hug. You're so sweet.
Timing. Literally the best time right now. But I'm trying to hit this. She made it. She made it. Yes, girl.
This is so good.
Oh my god. Okay, yes,
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for coming. Nice to see this one.
Thank you so much. Sometimes life worked out in a mystical way, because not only I got my book signed, had our picture taken, but also I get to talk to him again in the end of the second event. And now I'm just sitting here waiting it to be started in a few minutes.
Thank you all again for coming, and I'm excited to bring out Damon, our global citizen, with his friend Shayna.
But first I wanted to ask, who lives in Paris, like right now? Ooh. And look around to see who lives around Paris, because these could be your friends, you know? Because, that's such a lie. Maybe it's not a lie, but like, okay, so today I wanted to gather in this room, not only to talk about the book, talk about life in Paris, and do a little Q&A, and then at the end we will do a meet and greet, and just everyone, we gotta talk and take pictures, and we gotta wrap it up because we gotta be out of here I think at 8. No, it's that I don't want to be American, I don't want to be French, I don't want to be just one thing, you know? So I am a global citizen. I don't have to choose one. I can be one, I can be all. I don't have to just be one thing, you know?
What advice would you give to somebody wanting to start travel content creation, especially like now when I feel like there's a YouTuber for every city? How do you make something new?
Well, the first thing I'd say is like, even if you were to take the same information and say it your way, it's going to be different. We all have a different way of reciting the same information, you know? Even actually, all of these book events, this is what, like the 7th one that I've done? I've always had like somebody up here with me, and they've always like, you know, reviewed the text a little bit, and they're always bringing something new to the game. So I think that's the angle you gotta approach it from.
So that being said, if you have been thinking about starting your own channel, don't let the saturation of social media industry stops you. Because you never know, you might bring something new to this line of work, just like everybody else does.
2 more questions. Let's do yes. You're in the front.
Have you ever been to China?
Yeah, I lost my passport there.
Oh no.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't been to China. I've been to the airport.
Okay. Oh my god, why would I ask such a lame question? Like, what the fuck? I'm so fucking stupid. There are so many topics I want to discuss with him on the day we actually met, such as how he copes with the disappointment after putting lots of effort into making a video and not getting good views as expected. Or what is his approach to dealing with feelings of jealousy and inadequacy after seeing others in the industry achieve more success? After I heard, oh, one last question, I'll be like, oh, this is my chance, I gotta grab it. I did, but I didn't. So back to the events. While I'm waiting online to talk to Damon again, I also made some friends. Everybody here is so nice, and it's just so wholesome to me because we are all here making friends with each other and exchange culture and languages because of him.
Hi again.
Hi. You made it.
Yeah, I'm
here. And to be honest, the second event was better. That event was better.
I have so many things to say, but I'm just gonna get started. Like, I love Ashely. She is my favorite YouTuber, and I discovered you from that Paris vlog. Tell her she has a fan from China who love her so fucking much.
Let me say it on camera.
Okay, yes. Thank you. Hi Ashely, I'm Kim. I'm from China. I love you so much, and Damon too. And I love you.
I got it. I'm gonna tell her.
Yeah. I don't want to take too much time. Can I just have one?
Yes.
I love you. I wish you all the best.
And I will tell Ashley.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Love you. Bye. Thanks for coming. Thank you.
After I had a drink nearby before heading home, meeting Damon in person was such a dream come true. I know that sounds cringe, but I used to watch him through the screen all the way back in China. It was an incredible experience to meet someone who had such a positive influence on my life. His kindness, his warmth, his genuine interest in his fans has made the experience more memorable. He has inspired me to continue learning about different cultures and languages and has shown me the importance of following one's passions. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.
And that's when I discovered like my love for art. So I think that sometimes you have to like pull yourself out of your environment to discover what you actually like, you know?
Damn, that was good. It's like 30, 40 minutes. You're staying. What's your name?
Kim.
Yeah.
Kimberly.
Just make up a name. But after living here for now probably 5-6 years, I studied here 10 years ago, I realized that I don't, like, not only do I not want to be French, but I'm sorry, that's coming out really. Also, I think it's important for everybody, even me, people who are doing this already, like, you can fall into a trap where you just travel somewhere to get a picture. And that's not cute.
Yeah.
That's not cute. No, you gotta always question, like, am I doing this because I actually care about that culture? Like going to Thailand, am I actually interested in Thai culture, or do I just want to go to look like sexy on this beach right now? But you can do both, that's the thing.